Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Peace be upon you all. Today we are going to speak about feminism. Feminism is a theory of political, economic and social equality of sex. It's an organized activity on behalf of women for their right and interest. During Industrial Revolution, the demand for mass production required more employees. Hence, women were driven out of home to work in industry. This raised several challenges such as unequal payment, increase in infant death rate, women developing less interest in family, double burden of work at job and at home, abortion rate increased, forced to tolerate harassment at workplace. After a certain point, women opposed criticism pointed on them and fought for gender equality under the banner of feminism. Feminism emerged with various ideologies such as liberal, Marxist, radical, etc. Gender category for couples got more variant than just man and woman. Heterosexual man, heterosexual woman, lesbian, bisexual man and woman. As a result, the morality toward family got heavily contaminated. This can also be seen in recent Supreme Court judgment that legalized LGBT. When women competed with men at all the forums and areas, in turn caused exploitation of women in other way. For example, in advertisement, women became mere marketing tool. Maximum products were advertised by exposing female. In magazine, which carries nude images to earn and get sensationalized. This in turn has legitimized sexual harassment and violence against women. Music, video, be it rap music or any, presence of women became a matter of her body, not talent. Modeling industry is the biggest institution advocating feminism and ironically of being the major place of exploitation of women for nudity, body shaming and workload. Most cases of depression and suicides are suppressed. According to the Sarah Ziff, many rape cases in modeling industry go unreported. Women characters in movies, serials and cartoons are merely for sexual objectification and a means of marketing. Similarly, many video games like Bad Company, Pokemon Soul, etc. include violence against women. In the name of emancipation of women, feminism added more sorrows. The true emancipation of women is only possible when all her issues are addressed and raise the level of respect for her, recognizing her contribution in developing social institutions. Islam considers men and women equal but not identical. Role of man and woman is complementary, not conflicting. It's that of partnership, not striving to contradict each other in supremacy. Right in Islam include all that protested by Western feminists today. For example, economic right. Women can work and do business within the purview of Islamic Sharia as long as it's lawful. Woman has no financial obligation. This obligation is laid on man in the family. All her earning is absolutely her property. Adding to that, meher is a marital gift received by a woman when she is married. Quran in the chapter number 4 verses number 4 says that give women their bridal due in good cheer, considering it a duty. There is no upper limit for dower. As a social right, Islam prohibits female infanticide. In Surah Takwir, chapter number 81, verses number 8 and 9, it says, and when the girl child buried alive shall be asked for what offense was she killed. Equal right in upbringing and education is utmost important for a woman. Educating woman will not only help her grow but also discharge her responsibility as a mother and bring up healthy citizen. Islam also provide right to choose. Neither father nor anyone has a right to force daughter to marry against her wishes. In chapter number 4, verses number 18 says, "You are prohibited to inherit women against their will." As a political right, right to vote was granted 1400 years ago by Islam. Feminism, which claimed to be a guardian of women's rights, failed to recognize her value as a modest and respectable soul. The right for which they are protesting today was granted long back by Islam. Protest for right without responsibility lead to immoral discourse of social institution and ensure fall of social structure. Right and duties of every individual without being unfair to the other sex as recognized by Islam is in truth emancipation of humanity. Thank you. Jazakallah khairan.